You bomb, sis. You look cute, sis. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm recording. Get out. Alright, take 2. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is just a get to know me tag, so you guys can get to know me better as I begin this adventure on YouTube. But I just wrote down a few questions that I got off the internet just to give you guys a better understanding of who I am, what I'm about, and stuff like that. So let's just get into the questions. All right, so if you guys see me looking to the right, I'm just looking at my computer because I have the questions over here. So the first question is gonna be, what is my full name? So my full name is Briana Iyana Clark, but on YouTube it's Briana Iyana. You guys can call me Briana, it doesn't really matter. The second question is gonna be where I'm from. Spanish Town, Jamaica. Yeah, so I'm from Jamaica, as you can't tell by the accent, but yeah. The third question actually is gonna be, how old are you? So I'm 20. I turn 21 next year. Woo woo. The fourth question is gonna be, have you gone to college? So I am going to be starting college in March 2020. I'm going to be majoring in finance, so I'm excited for that. It's something that I'm really interested in, and I'm excited to learn and just the whole shebang. I'm excited to learn new things, and I haven't been to school in a long time, so I have my work cut out for me because God knows it's been long, but I'm excited to embark on that journey. The fifth question is going to be, where do I currently live? I live in San Antonio, Texas. And the sixth question is going to be, what's my zodiac sign? My zodiac sign, I am a Leo. My birthday is July 26th. The seventh question is going to be, how tall are you? So I am 5'8". I'm pretty tall for a girl. I don't like it because I feel like a giant if I wear heels, so I don't really do all of that, but I'm 5'8". The eighth question is gonna be, single or taken? Leave that blank. I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. How many siblings do I have? I have 7 siblings, including step siblings, so I have a pretty blended and large family, so 7 siblings. My ninth question is gonna be, any life goals that I have? So what life goals? I would say my life goals are just to be happy and to be healthy. So happy with whatever endeavors I incur over the years, just to be happy with whatever I'm doing in life and to be very healthy. My last question is gonna be, biggest struggle I've ever overcame. So my biggest struggle I've ever overcame is knowing my worth and loving and believing in myself. So I have struggled with that for the past couple years, but I'm slowly gaining my confidence back. This is like one action that I've taken to push myself, like to start a YouTube channel. I've wanted to almost 4 years now, and I've never done it. So yeah, here I am. So this is a get to know me tag, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.
We can party some more. Yeah, got this drink in my